After you signing into your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to click on this federal button at the left side of your screen, then click on Wages and Income just below it. While you hover over your mouse on Wages and Income, you want to choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Retirement Plans and Social Security section, then click on it. On IRA, Pension Plan, Withdrawals with 1099-R form, click on the Start button besides it. On this page, click on Yes to confirm you received 1099-R. Then you may choose on which situation or condition that suits you right now. After that, click on Continue and you may take a photo of your 1099-R form or upload it if you have it in soft file like PDF or PNG file, and TurboTax will automatically fill the return for you. You may also type it manually by clicking on Typing it myself and start to insert the information from Form 1099-R that you received before to the TurboTax. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.